What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review the recently released Mirzapur season 2 trailer. Let's discuss some cast and clues that they have provided, or maybe whatever we are thinking it. According to me, I feel like the jeep thrown by Gudu and Munna was there because you can see his wristband. So let's see in this almost like 2.5 or almost like 3 minutes trailer in a sequential order. What are the hints and clues that they have provided? At the fifth second of the video, you can see there is a grave of that, and I think that grave belongs to that old man uh, who was dealing with Munna, and he used to say him, "Bade harami ho beta." At 10th second, you can see cop was thinking in a calm position, and I think like it is he was injured, and you can see that his arm. He this is after the final fight, I guess. And at 16, they are showing that the chairs are empty. It means the fight that they had, the battle for the Mirzapur seat, nobody is taking that. And number 19, you can see Munna is not in the meeting, and there you will see a guy with the pink shirt, and Munna comes and takes his jeep and goes back and finish that the guy with the pink kurta. At 23rd second, you can see that Kaleen and his father for the very first time in the jeep together, and Munna is not there. So it means both of them are on the same page while Munna is out of that. Now here he comes at 29th second. Munna goes in that particular meeting and finish that guy with the pink kurta, because he says there that the one who is on the seat can change the rule. At number 30, at 38th second, you can see that Gudu is running and there are people supporting him from behind. So definitely he will make up his own team. At 40th second, you can see the jeep thrown from the cliff, and Munna is there, and you can see his wristband. It shows that he is finished earlier, and in his anger, Kaleen Bhaiya will have a fight with all the groups. And then at 54th second, you can see there are new contenders, new faces are shown. Looks like Mirzapur 2 season needs a lot of work, and they willing, are they supposed to finish earlier, or they need a third season, because there are new faces emerging, and I hope the past will chase all of them. After the first minute and 8 seconds, you can see Kaleen Bhaiya directly meeting the party head and bypassing that politician who had a tough time or had a fight with Munna, and I think that will make him angry, and Kaleen Bhaiya will have another contender for Mirzapur, because that constituency is very important for them, as well as they need money for the funds for the party and election. At 1 minute 20 second, you see lot of new faces are shown. So I think it looks like lot of uh, chaotic or mess has to be cleaned up, and there are groups now being formed. Those two will be with Munna, and other groups, you will see there is a different story now, I guess. That's why on 1 minute and 41st second, you can see Munna sitting with both of them, and it means like he double cross again Kaleen Bhaiya, because he just wanted somehow to be called the king of Mirzapur. Now here you see at first minute and 47th second that the same politician is showing his anger. He has a grudge now. At first minute and 55th second you can see the look on of his dad, and I think Munna's dad will be no more, because you can see his mother is crying. So both parties have to lose one person. From Munna's side, I think his father, because he is also hot blood man. So, and from Munna, from their side. So Kaleen Bhaiya has lot of things to do now. At 2 minutes and 10 seconds, you can see stepmom is a little angry or upset with the situation. I think she will probably help Munna Bhai to get rid of senior Kaleen Bhaiya, or maybe she is tired of uh, the old line. And within these last seconds, you can see all these parties, they are fighting with each other, and they are going to finish it up as early as possible. I hope they have shown so many spoilers in this, and there will be a, it should be the way they have shown it, it should be the last season of Mirzapur. I hope you will really like it. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Wish I could be wrong, but I feel like Munna will be no more earlier, and what is that, his name, Gudu's father. Okay, I hope you will like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. Bye bye.